One of the great features of the H9 Control app is preset management. So if you go to the preset list tab at the bottom here, it takes you to this page where you can create as many customized preset lists as you want. You might want to have one preset list that you use for shows. That would be your live preset list, and it would be important to have the presets in a certain order for each song in your set. And you'd want a totally different preset list to use when you're in the studio. So we'll show you how to set up those preset lists. First, make sure you have your computer selected in the left column, since we'll be saving the preset list to the Mac in this case. Then go to the top right, select New Preset List, you can name it. And then it asks if you want to show the presets as numbers or banks. If this is off, then it'll, like you can see in the background, it'll be preset 1, 2, 3, 4. But if you turn it on, it'll be 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. For now, let's turn it on. Then it asks the size of the preset list. If you want to fill up the entire space, you can choose 100. But if you know that this is for a live set, for example, at the Barclays Center, then you have 13 songs in your set. We'll just limit it to that. It'll be lightweight preset list. Okay. To add presets, go to the top right, hit Edit List, and here you can select the algorithm and then the preset you want, and then drag it to any location. We'll grab a bunch, lay them out in the order we want. The stars on the corner of each preset means that it hasn't yet been saved to the list, so we'll press Save, take care of that. If you decide you want to tweak the parameters of a specific preset, go back so you're no longer in Edit List mode, and then you can click on the preset, turn the mix up, for example, turn the decay down, hit Save, go back, and now it's changed. If you want to copy and paste it, you can select the preset, go to More, copy, pick another slot, hit Paste. If you want to swap presets, you start by copying it again. We'll copy Corridors, switch it with Guitar Room, so copy Corridors, select Guitar Room, hit Swap. Now they switched. If you decide you want a preset at the beginning and you don't want to have to shift all of them over, you can select a spot, hit Insert, and then it tells you that you're going to shift everything to the right. And now you've got an empty slot, everything else has moved, and you can put your preset here. Because we already have something copied to the clipboard, when we clicked on that slot, it wants to know if we want to paste or select a new preset. We'll say Select New Preset, pick one. We'll maybe lower this mix, hit Save, go back, and now it's in the preset list with the lowered mix. Keep in mind that this preset list is currently saved to your computer. So once you're ready to use the list, you'll want to upload it onto your pedal. So select the preset list in question. We'll say Barclays Center, and then say Save to Pedal. And then you say OK, and it'll send all presets. In this case, we transferred a preset list with only 7 presets in it, so it's asking if you want to limit the range of the presets on the stompbox. If we say yes, once we go past the 7th preset, it'll loop back around to 1. If you say no, once you get past the 7th preset, it'll go back to whatever was in slot 8 before you transferred this list. We'll say yes for now. So I showed you how to make a preset list on your computer and then transfer it to your pedal, but you might want to do the opposite as well. For example, if you've been staying in the studio using your space away from your computer, saving presets all day, at the end of the day, you might want to extract those presets from your stompbox and have them on your computer so you can rearrange them, do anything you want with them. So select your space, and this shows you all 100 presets that are currently on your stompbox. And then you can say Save to Mac. Okay, so now it's finished importing the list. Hit OK. And the list is automatically saved here And it's named after the pedal currently, SPO3244. So we can select it and say rename preset list. We'll name it after the date. So now we have the list saved as May 8th. Just like before, you can click on it and select presets and use the edit tools to adjust the list.